So guys, welcome back to another video on the XL212. If you guys have not seen the series before, it is an old XL70 I found in the ditch about 2.5 years ago that I cut the frame up, put this 212 Predator motor in it, put some different wheels on it, and yeah, it brought us really here after a lot of custom hubs on the rear tire because these used to actually be wheelbarrow wheels. What we need to do is pull everything apart, paint the frame and some other parts, just get everything cleaned up really nice, like side paneling, just mostly aesthetic stuff, get the headlights wired in, the kill switch, and now that I know it rides, I can just make it look super nice. Otherwise, yeah, let's get it pulled apart. So now that she's all pulled apart, it's time to clean up all these tools and get everything laid out on the table. So yeah, I just got all the parts laid out. The frame needs a lot of welding to be done on it. Handlebars, I'm not really sure if I want to paint those or keep them the same or what I want to do with those. Otherwise, just going through every single part and cleaning it up. Got an air filter for this thing with a CNC adapter. So this guy will basically bolt on something like that. I don't really like how far it sticks out, but I might be able to twist it or do something to make it stick in a little. Currently like 2 months later, and I finally got sandblasting stuff ready. I was busy snowmobiling, so make sure to go check out them videos. Good enough for just sandblasting and painting, and although it's my first bike, this is not one I'm going to be selling. So yeah, let's get the sandblaster set up. So I got all the parts painted. I did this really nice looking cherry red, and then this black. It's a some type of paint. I can't remember what the paint's called. Painted the whole frame up. It's pretty rough right now, but it should smooth out. But that is just amazing compared to what it used to look like. Finally, time to assemble the XL212. I got all the parts laying out right here, so I've been really excited, really waiting to do this. So let's get that frame up on the table. So guys, finally time to put the wheels on, go around and tighten everything, and take it out for a test ride.
Even got a new XL212 but we are ready to go. They took my shoelace in so I don't die. I'm gonna get the DS80 out. I'm tired of this thing.
So I'm starting the video right here. I got a lot of stuff to do still on this thing, especially with aligning the chain up.
I'm probably going to order a new chain. This one's so bent up and just derails so much. Didn't have that problem before I took it apart, but I just need to fix it now. So I'm done with this for now until I get a new chain, get that all lined up. But I do have another video with trading this Apollo and that DS80 for a bigger bike. You're going to have to look out for that video. See you guys in the next one.